Welcome back to another Experience Widener powered by Modern Campus Involved tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about understanding your budget. So make sure you head on over to widener.presence.io, log in using your Widener credentials, and head on over to the admin dashboard. Let's get started. As a reminder, only presidents and treasurers will have access to the financial area in addition to advisors. So you're going to come over to the navigation bar and you're going to start in the finance area. Now, this is going to look a little bit different for me because I have access to all of the organization budgets. You will only have access to the budgets that you are an administrator of. So for the purposes of this video, I am going to show you what it looks like through the Widener Dance Company. So first thing you can see is that because I searched, they're highlighted in green. That's the only difference there. Right here, this is going to be your available column. Then you have the allocated, and then you have your budget account number. So you can see Widener Dance Company in total, which includes both the fundraising account as well as the student activities fee funds. They have over $8,000 that is available, and they began with over $12,000. Their account number is listed right over here. And to click in to see more, you just click into the organization or account name that you want to see more of. So over on this right-hand side, you're going to see approved expenditures. So this is anything that has already been approved by the approval process and the Student Government Association. You'll also see all latest requests down here as well as latest transactions. So this is anything that might have gone through that wasn't necessarily an approved expenditure. So this could be a deposit or a reconciliation, anything, maybe a budget transfer, anything that might have changed the cost of your accounts. Up at the top, you're going to see how much you have available, how much is currently requested to spend, how much has been approved to spend, meaning this is how much you still have left to reconcile, and how much you are currently pending on your reconciliation. So you're able to see everything right here. If you want to do a deeper dive, you can click into either your fundraising or your student activities fee accounts, and you're able to see a little bit more about these specific budget lines. So you can see the latest requests and the latest transactions right from here. As a reminder, the reason why we have two separate accounts in Experience Widener is because of the rules that come along with receiving student activities fee funding. Student activities fee funding is available to all of our student organizations that are open member organizations. So what does that mean? Well, if you are an organization that has closed membership and maybe your organization has membership that is only open to a specific group of people, or you are an invite-only organization, you are not eligible for SGA funding. And that is because SGA utilizes the Student Activities Fee Fund, or SAF, to allocate out to the student organizations. The student activity fee is funded by students, and so that is a fee that you pay on your bills every semester, and it's what goes into the student experience. So that money also has to be open and available to be utilized for all students. So a good example is recruitment for our FSL or fraternity and sorority life communities. Because those are closed member recruitments, so if you are going out for CPC, you would need to identify in a certain way. Same with the IFC organization. We cannot fund that through the student activities fee through SGA. Same with closed member meetings. Everything has to be open to all general undergraduate students in order to be funded. So it's really, really important that you understand the difference there because you do have two separate accounts. And so this fundraising account is anything that you are earning that students are taking the opportunity or the time to donate to your organization versus what is going to be open to all students. Your fundraising, you have a little bit more freedom with because it isn't necessarily money that all students are paying out of pocket that they are required to pay. Instead, this is coming from outside sources or they are choosing to give that money. So hopefully that helps to describe the difference between the two a little bit better. And stay tuned for more tutorial videos on how to submit a budget allocation, an expenditure, a reconciliation, and a deposit. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. The Finance Committee through the Student Government Association are the ones who are truly the approvers behind all of your financial requests. So if you have any questions, please visit the Student Government Association office, which is located on the lower level of the University Center, right next to the Pride Den and across from the Building Manager Area Multicultural Student Lounge. Or you can email widenersga@widener.edu to get in touch and ask any questions that you might have.